We're currently in the Cotswolds at the moment, in Moreton in Marsh. We're staying at the Upper Hills campsite, which is a camping and caravanning CS site. You know, so it's just got 5 pitches. Very quaint, very peaceful, except for there's a bit of a busy road going on just over there. But yeah, £10 a night, can you believe it? And that's the whole reason why we came here. We have been to Moreton in the Marsh before. We had a stroll around with our Canada reunion folk, didn't we? It was very nice. We're preparing to go for a cycle ride into town today.
Yes.
And just wander around looking at the all the shops and whatever.
Because it's only half an hour walk, isn't it? And probably, what, a 10-minute ride, bike ride.
Yes, that's right.
So
We did the walk yesterday.
We did.
And it was blisteringly hot. Now the thing is, didn't know where to park the bikes, but looking on Google Maps and whatnot, we found that there is a bike hut at the train station, so that is where we are going first of all. And then tomorrow we're heading down to the New Forest for Herman Fest. It was easy enough to find the bike hut, and there were instructions on how to use it. However, we had a bit of a problem putting the bikes in, so we could lock them together. Using the lower racks, my bike wouldn't fit all the way in. The handlebars hit the upper ones. I then thought about using the upper rack, but I soon gave up with that idea. In the end, I figured it out. Zoe's bike is slightly smaller than mine, and so fitted where mine didn't. Right, eventually got that sorted. Well, there we go. So we're in High Street right now, and the High Street is a very busy road. It's an A road going straight through the middle of it, and today, special day actually, we've got a market on, so that might be interesting to wander around, as well as all the antique shops they have here. Their pubs are very flashy, aren't they? Look at that, all that sandstone, it's a Black Bear. Might have to go in there later. Disapproving looks from Zoe.
Because you're running out of beers.
Oh, am I? Jeez. According to, what's that, the town hall? I don't know what this building is. So according to this clock here, it is almost 12:15. However, there is a sundial, which I think is wrong. I don't know what that says, but it's not 12:15. It's more like 10:30. And actually, now I come to think of it, that is right, isn't it? Because we are 1 hour ahead. So okay folks, the sun is not wrong. Oh, this is what I mean by busy road. Articulated lorries and tractors run through here, which is a shame, I think. Now if you come to Moreton in Marsh, then you would have most likely missed this tower. I was just standing underneath it just seconds ago talking about the sundial. But yeah, that is Curfew Tower. Extremely old, oh hello. Centuries old, and it's more like I think it was the location of their prison. The bell is older than the clock, and I think that would be a modern clock. Now this looks like a nice cosy place, doesn't it? This is a cocktail bar called Beagle. Looks a bit too upmarket for us though. And right on the high street are these lovely cottages. Yes, people live here right on the street, right on that busy road, but they do look lovely, don't they? We're now on the side of the street market, next door to the cheese company shop. And I think Zoe wants to go in there. It's hard to ignore one of these, isn't it? Let's go in and take a look round. I do like seeing old tools. And then I noticed this, a vice. For 48 quid though, blimey. Although for 10 quid this could be very useful. Set of electrical pliers. How about the odd bottle or two? Maybe a book. What about some china? Silverware maybe? What about an old camera? We just had a spot of lunch, just a few sandwiches, nothing really, you know, they were delicious, Zoe made them. We're right on the edge of the road here, underneath this very shady tree, and we've walked around the market area, the street. Oh, there's a spider crawling on me. just walked around the markets, the street market, and I think mainly it's a lot of clothes for sale, weren't they? A lot of stalls for clothes. There were some unique ones.
Yeah.
It's including this wooden
Nice.
stall. Well, wooden carved things that you might use in
Or little pots, wasn't it?
little pots. Might use in the kitchen.
Does he realise we're trying
Yeah,
to do a video?
do you know we're trying to film? But also,
He couldn't resist.
thank you. There's a tray bake stall there, and I managed to get. If you'd like to take one out.
Demonstrate. Oh, am I allowed to eat one?
Yeah, managed to get a pear and chocolate chip tray bake.
There's not much chocolate chip in it, is there?
They're all in my slice. No, they're all in my slice.
Right, I'm going to take... I've got an end piece.
Right, go on.
Oh, very high.
You tasted it. Oh, very light. Is it okay? Yeah. No, okay, I'm going to stop filming because I'm salivating here. So, see you in a bit.
Weird.
Oh, it's weird. Pear and chocolate chip. Okay, so we're back in Herman. It's the evening. Our bikes weren't stolen, but there they are. And we some of you may already know this. We don't have an oven or microwave, in fact, but we do have fish cakes with us. We've brought with us. So we thought, well, how do we cook fish cakes? So what I'm trying to do is, this is an experiment. So barbecue with the frying pan kind of accessory. I don't know what you want to call this thing here. But it's basically a big hob, isn't it now? A big gas hob. So we've got our fish cakes. In fact, I'm cooking them like burgers, really. Got a load of vegetables. Now, this is the other experiment. Wedges. We do love a potato wedge. And we've boiled them up. And now we're kind of frying them. Never tried it before, not even at home, because we've got the air fryer at home. Oh, and a proper oven. Yeah, so let's see how we get on, and hopefully we won't poison ourselves. Or it all comes out black. I think we're almost done here. Take a look at that. I've had to cut the fish cake in half because I don't know if it was actually cooking on the inside. But I think they're already cooked, aren't they? You're really just only heating them up.
Oh goodness. Do we need you there? Well, I think it is actually salmon, isn't it? It's difficult to tell what it is.
Hot.
Oh, hot.
Don't speak with your mouth full. Well, I must say, even if I say so myself, this is marvellous. And the potato wedges are exactly like they come out of an air fryer. Crispy. The very next day, we drove down to the New Forest for Herman Fest, which is undoubtedly the best festival in the whole year. And if you want to check out that video, then click here. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.